Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant getting stuck on updating and checking file size. All right, let's begin. First, make sure the drive where Valorant is installed has enough free space. You should have at least 70 gigabytes available before starting the update. Next, right-click on the taskbar, open Task Manager, and go to the Details tab. Search for Riot-related processes and end all of them to ensure nothing is running in the background. Now open the Start menu, search for the Riot Client, and run it as an administrator. Once it opens, select Valorant, click on your profile and go to Settings, select Valorant again, and disable Auto Update if it is enabled. After that, click on Repair and wait for it to finish completely. Once done, launch the game again and the issue should be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix Valorant getting stuck on updating and checking file size. That's it for this video. Thanks.